In this question, we're going to be looking at substitution, specifically when we've got two different terms. We've got an L and a T in this question here. So we've got if L is equal to 6, this L is equal to 6, so this L here, and if T is equal to 6, that T there, and we're adding 9 onto it. So the key thing to remember when we're doing these questions is that in between the number and the letter is a multiplication sign that we don't write but is actually there. So let's just remind ourselves that means 7 times L and this means 6 times T. So if we're looking at working this out, we've actually got, for this part of the question here, 7 multiplied by the new value of L, which is 6. We are then adding this part of the question here, which would be 6 multiplied by 6. We haven't done anything to this plus 9 here, so we need to make sure we include it there. So when it comes to working out what the answer is now, we're doing it in stages. So first of all, the 7 times the 6 gives us an answer of 42. We are adding the answer to 6 times 6, which is 36. We are then adding 9 onto it. Now, you don't need to be tempted to do this all in your head. You can work it out as a column method just to be safe. We're going to do that now because it seems silly making a mistake at this point in our question. Okay, so we've got the 2 add the 6 gives us 8. 8 add the 9 gives us 17, so 7 down, carry the 1. 4 add 3 add 1 gives us 87. In this type of question, you do usually get marks for substituting in accurately, so getting either the 42 or the 36 right, and then going on to the full marks for the final answer. We're going to look at the next question and substitute these values in. So we've got V is equal to 8, so this V is no longer V, it's now 8, and M is equal to 7, so this is now 7 instead of M. Remembering that when we substitute into an expression or an equation, we're looking to see that the number and the letter next to each other are multiplied by one another. So this means 3 times V because they're next to each other. This means 9 times M because they're next to each other. Substituting in for this part of our expression, first of all, we've got 3 times V. V is now 8, so we've actually got 3 multiplied by 8. We are adding the value for the 9 times the M. M is now 7, so this part of the expression means 9 multiplied by 7. We haven't done anything with this value here, so we need to make sure we include the minus 8. Do not forget it, just put it underneath anything you don't use. 3 times the 8 gives you an answer of 24. We are adding 9 times 7, which is 63, and we are taking away 8. We're going to do a column method down the side just to make sure we don't lose our marks now, remembering that this is a minus 8, unlike the all addition up here. So to start off with, we're going to do the 24, add the 63. That gives us an answer of 4 add 3 is 7, 6 add 2 gives us 8. We are now going to take 8 away from that answer there. 7 take away 8 can't be done, so we need to borrow from the 8 to make it a 7, give to the 7 to make it a 17. 17 take away 8 gives you 9. 79 is our answer there. I'm going to pop some questions up for you to have a practice. Please press pause. Here's the answers. We've got the answer. The first one is 58 and the second one is 69. Hope this helps with your homework. Good luck. Thank you for watching.